Wow, this is an interesting one in Nigerian politicking. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is just 312 days in office out of 4 years of a term. The Labour Party presidential candidate, Dr. Peter Obi, he has been preparing, warming up for 2027 general election. He has taken it upon himself by moving around the country to know the cry and the yearning of the masses. Watch this video and see it yourself. Wow, this is an interesting one in Nigerian politicking. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is just 312 days in office out of 4 years of a term. The Labour Party presidential candidate.
Thank you, District Head. Let me most sincerely thank everybody this morning. Like Dr. Mo has said, we came here a few weeks ago as part of our tour during this Muslim fasting period. And when we came, we visited so many places from Sokoto to Kebbi to Niger, Suleja, Lafia. We came here and we noticed that the condition of this primary care center requires some repairs here and there, which we estimated that it will cost about 2 million naira, and that is the only reason why we came today. And then we met your daughter. Where is Aisha? Aisha, your daughter, very hard-working person. When I came, he was the only one attending to all the women. So basically we're here to present the check to Aisha, but I'm happy that all of you came to receive me. What I will promise is this and everybody, I'll come back. I will not come for the village because maybe there's other things to do in the village, because most places we gave them borehole. So we'll not go for the village. Today we are here for the primary care. So you collect details of this visit. Maybe there's things we can do for them. Thank you. So where is Aisha? We present the check. Aisha. So with your permission, we present the check to Aisha. Aisha, here.
Aisha, come here.
Sorry, can you stand in front of me? Okay.
He's saying this is for Aisha.
You're getting the back. So what we are doing is the check presentation to Aisha. And because Aisha has been very dedicated staff on her own, I'm also giving her a check of 100,000 naira for her own, for her hard work, so that I can continue. And I promise I'll be back in the village. Thank you. This is the primary health care. We were here a few weeks ago and we surveyed and found out that there's a lot of disrepair. Like if you look at the roofs, look at the systems internally, it is all working. So we promised that we're going to come repair a few things for them, which we estimated at about 1.something million. So we decided to come and give them a check of 2 million naira to do it. And the day we came, there was only one nurse looking after over 50 women. And to encourage that nurse, I felt I should give her something. That's why I gave them the check of 2 million and the 100,000 to the nurse just to encourage her. And like I told the village, I intend to come back again. It's all part of my tour of Nigeria, visiting the people, knowing and studying and learning what is wrong or what is the need.
So the district head said something very germane, that no politician has actually taken time to visit them. How would you be taking this message that he gave to you?
It's a message where I have everywhere I went. Where I went to provide water in Kebi, the same thing. Where I went to do so many other places where we provided water in Faculty of Agriculture in University of Sokoto. The same thing. Nobody in that faculty in particular, not the university, in that faculty in particular, it was the first time an individual other than government is giving them something. Here we do not plan this politics the way it should be. Politics for us is transactional. So it's only during the election that you see politicians. After election, there's no more. But public life is something you live with in and out of office. If you choose to do it, even if it's to just go and visit and encourage people, that's enough. This society, this community, look at the crowd, require this type of facility, at least 2. But even the one they have is not very functional, it's not updated. So you need to do something about it. And that's what we're talking. Today we have infant mortality problem where Nigeria have overtaken India, a country that's 7 times our population, in infant mortality. And it's because our primary health care is not working. So we need to make it work. We need to ensure that people have drinking water. We need to show, so there's so many things we need to do across the whole nation.
Finally, sir, most politicians after electioneering, they stop. But you have continued. Why have you taken this track?
Because that is what being in public life is all about. It's actually more when there's no election than when there's election.
To thank you for visiting us this very morning. We are not the only community in FCT, but we are privileged. We are lucky to have you. Sir, why I said you cannot go until we appreciate you is because since the community Tungan Madaki was here, none of the candidates from even the Senate or House of Rep so ever visit us. But it is a plus to us that today you have come to see us and even put in your resources to make sure that our people are living in a good health. I want to say a very good thank you for you. As you come, I wish you go back safely.
Amen.
You will go back safely. All your good prayers should be answered by the special grace of God. Thank you very much. Thank you, and God bless you.